Hi guys, it's Kinky with the Cheese here. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. So today I'll be doing a short video, just a little bit of updates on my hair regimen. As you can see, I've added some new things to my hair regimen as per protective styling. Yes. So yeah, I've added some things to my regimen, and they seem to be working well for me. So I just want you guys to know what I've been doing. I know I've been out of the loop for a while, but I just want you guys to know what I've been doing in that period. I have a wig on. I'm trying to, get used to this wig life. Yeah. And I'm feeling myself right now. I'm like, oh, oh. It's been going well. I just got this wig not too long ago, just to wear anytime I don't want to wear my twist out, because I've been twisting my underneath this wig is like my regular two-strand twist. I've been twisting my hair like every week, retwisting my hair every week. So let me show you the products that um, I'm using now, or that I used to use some before when I wanted to grow my hair, but now I'm putting them back into my regimen. When I just first did chopped, I was so eager to make my hair long, so I had the castor oil, I had my ACV, but then after a while, I just fell back on it, and then I don't know, but I think I'm getting used to them now, and they're doing really, really well for my hair. So yeah, this is one of the things that I've incorporated into my hair regimen: apple cider vinegar. Yep, I've used this before, but I stopped. I don't know why. Laziness, I think. It's laziness, and I wasn't so eager to grow my TWA out. So yeah. So what I do with this is that I dilute it with water, and then I spray it on my hair, and I use this when I don't want to use my shampoo, because it cleans the scalp without stripping it of all the oils, and it makes your hair soft. So I use it when I don't want to use shampoo. I mix this with water, spray it on my hair, then I rinse it out with like co-wash. Yeah, then I co-wash. Another thing that I added to my regimen is aloe vera. Yeah, I had to buy the big one. I spent days looking for this, so when I saw this, I had to buy the large one. Yeah, aloe vera. What I use for my hair now. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic, I hope I'm pronouncing it well, proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny, and I can attest to that. It does leave my hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching of the scalp, reduces dandruff, true, conditions your hair, true, and I've been using this for I think 3 weeks now, and it's been working well for my hair. I don't have any dandruff, and normally I have like itchy scalp, but it's not affecting me as much anymore. It's reducing. I'm not going to say that it's going to stop immediately, but as time goes on, it's reducing. Like I said, I've been using aloe vera for a while now, and it's working great for my hair. Like, I don't know why I didn't think about this. I don't know why. I have no idea. I have been seeing good reviews on it. I think it's laziness. It all boils down to laziness. I'm lazy, and I've accepted my fate. So the next thing that I used to use, but this is actually another, I just got this one yesterday, the last castor oil that I had. You guys know, you guys have seen that I use castor oil. Finished my black castor oil, so I just ran to a store and I saw this and I picked it. It's not actually the Jamaican black castor oil, it's just 100% castor oil, and I believe it works the same as the Jamaican black castor oil. So yeah, this is not new, and this is definitely not old. I've been using it. What I've been doing now with this is applying it on my scalp and massaging my scalp with it at least 3 times a week. At least 3 times a week. And I've seen growth. I don't know. I think I'm going to put in my picture. I don't know if it's after this video, so you guys can see that I have seen growth. My afro, yeah, I did it with the afro ball. I will show you my afro from the beginning of this year and the middle of this year now. In the middle of this year now, and you guys can see the difference. I've just been using castor oil, massaging my scalp, and I've been leaving my hair alone. More twists, you know. You can tell because I've not been putting up videos. I've been leaving my hair alone for a while, you know. Yeah, I won't come and kill myself because of video. I'm sorry. I know you guys are so important, but I want to show you that, like, I don't like people do all these things to their hair, then later I'll come back and I'll say, oh, my hair has been breaking, you know, I'm going through this, I'm going through that. It's because of YouTube. I don't want to blame you guys, and that would, like, it doesn't make any sense to me. So I take care of my hair, then you guys can see healthy hair all the time than for me to just put out content over and over again, then I'm destroying my hair, you know. You guys, thank you for patronizing me. It's not anything bad, but I just want to keep it like simple with myself, so I need to enjoy the hair too, Nabi. So that's all I've been using in my hair, and that's what I've been doing to my hair. The rest is all the same, you know. Twist my hair for protective style. Now I've added the wigs. Woo! This wig is so... I think I'm going to put the link of this wig down there below. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below anything you want to ask me. I'll answer. Thank you so much.